Here I've got Nokia 7 Plus, and let me show you all the secret codes for the following device. So at first, let's open the phone dialer, and let's start with the first code, which is *##, *4636 ###. And now we are in phone information testing mode, so let's open at first phone information tab, where you can find email number, phone number, signal strength, voice service, data service, voice call status, and all the others. You can also run a ping test here. Simply click over here, and now here we've got the solution. Let me go back. Then you can check usage statistics. Here you will be able to check all the apps usage. Let me go back, and finally you can also find some Wi-Fi information here. So you can come along with Wi-Fi APA at first, where you will notice disable network, disconnect networks, enable, configured networks, and also all the connection info. Then you can check Wi-Fi configuration, and finally Wi-Fi status. Here you can refresh it to see the details, and also in this mode you can also run a ping test. So let me go back. That would be all for this one. And let's go to the second code, the shortest one, which is *##, *06#. And as you can see, this one will provide you with serial number for your Nokia 7 Plus. Click on OK to go back. And now let's open the calendar info by tapping *##, 225, *##. And here we've got all the info from your calendar, so the contacts, birthday, events in your country, events in your calendar, holidays, and all the others, everything stored in one place, so you will not forget about any event. Let me go back, and now let's enter another code, which is *##, 426, *##. And now we are in diagnostic mode, so you can check events and status here. You can also open advanced view by tapping on the more icon, then click on advanced view, and as you can see now, you've got way more info included here. And now it's time for the last code, but most useful one. So just enter *##, 372733, ###. And now you're able to test your device because it's service mode. So as you can see, you can test Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, touch panel, OTG, G-sensor, e-compass, multi-touch, proximity, USB, keyboard, and all the others. So let me show you, for example, speaker test.
Trapped in the past, I just can't seem to move on.
So it is definitely working correctly. Then let's pick the vibration. Let's start the test. So it's working. And then you can also test camera, flashlight, and all the others. So if you have any issues with your features, just check them and decide if it's application or your Nokia to blame. So that is all. This is how you can use secret codes in your Nokia. Enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.